Alright, so asiyasikhulume ngaso manje speed of sound, which means how fast or how slow is sound traveling in different mediums in different temperatures. Kwenzakalani? Mediums, they can be a solid, liquid, and a gas. So which means the speed of sound is affected from one medium to the next. And if the temperature is increased or decreased, kunama effects akhona. Asike sichazeke manje ukuthi kwenzakalani and the difference between the two. So remember, if speed of sound, it is just the rate of change of its distance, wave, which means as the wave travels, the total distance traveled divided by the time taken for V is the speed, and it is equals to D all over T, which means the total distance traveled divided by the time taken to travel distance D is your speed. Yabo? Wave speed. But again, why is speed is it affected if it's a solid or a liquid or a gas? Why is it fun? It is because of the arrangement of the particles. Yabo? Means arrangement of the particles. Alright, so I guess Kazela will see what happens to our particles when sound is traveling through our mediums and a fan. So let's just say solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so the arrangement of the particles, let's just say whatever the particles they are, let's just use the colors of 3. We have red, orange, and blue. So it's solid. The particles are tightly packed together. And it's sincane space between the particles for them to move. Yeah, so let's just say so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Following the orange la. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then khona la ngifake blue. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yabo, it's solid today. The space between the particles sincane ngale ndlela, sincane. Ngithanda ngisangafaka futhi la. Ngiphinde ngifaka abanye la. Yabo? Sincane kakhulu ispace. Ngizama uveze nje la ukuthi ispace sincane. Yabo? So when sound travels lana, yabo? Remember we have something called density. Density, which is calculated at E mass over volume. Yabo? So solids are more dense than liquids, and liquids are more dense than gases. And sound travels faster on solids or on more dense mediums than less dense mediums. Since liquid, you have lower, and then and then spiral cleaner. Yeah. Uyabona umehluko? Yini lena? This is a solid, this is a liquid. Uyabona umehluko between the arrangement of the particles. Uma kuyi solid kunjani, uma kuyi liquid kunjani. See in gas. Gas, it's even worse. There's even more space. Now cool. Yeah, about umehluko. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umehluko uyawubona. In terms of the arrangement of particles. Yabo. La they are closely together and then la they are relatively less closely together, which means they're a little bit far apart. Ase uqaqana lama particles angithi. Kanti la aqaqene kakhulu. Yabo? So this is more dense. This is less dense. Yeah, so the speed of sound increases in more dense materials than materials which are less dense. Yeah, umasikhuluma nge-density, which is mass per unit volume. Into wayifunda usafunda grade 9 kwi-natural science. Alright, so asikhulumeni ngaso the speed of sound. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-speed of sound is affected uma i-medium ishintsha, which means kungafana njengokuthi when you talking usukhipha ama-sound waves from uma ephuma kuwena straight into the air, which is a gas. Angithi uma esuka kwi-gas azoya mhlambe to ey'ntongeni la ukhona, angithi they'll now go to ama-solids, or mawukhuluma eduze namanzi they will go to liquid, yabo. And the states of or composition yawo lama solids, liquids and gases affects the speed. Mayingene kwi-solid it will travel faster. Mayingene kwi-liquid it will travel relatively slower than i-solid. Mayingene kwi-gas it will travel even slower, yabo. Okay, so which means the type of medium affects the speed of sound. Because even the solids are fine. You have things like semi-solids, and the different types of solids. You have iron, you have wood, you have cement. Ziningi into whereby the particles are compacted, and the forces that bond them together also affects the speed of sound. Alright. What about the temperature? You have to first ask yourself, yini temperature? Umunye uthi temperature ilento evela kwi-weather lapha ebusuku, uthi mhlawumbe hayi kusasa kuzoba 32 degrees Celsius. Okay, fine. You are not wrong, but you're giving me an example. The definition yani your temperature is what we call the average kinetic energy. But the temperature ngizoyichaza yodwa ukuthi ama-particles, ukuthi i-diagram yama-particles awodwa, because ngifuna ukukhuluma ukuthi what happens when temperature is increased on a solid, on a liquid and a gas. Kwenzakalani kuyona, yabo? What we know is temperature, it is the average kinetic energy of the molecules or of the atoms on a substance, kahle kahle, yabo? The average kinetic energy. Remember, kinetic energy, the energy an object or a particle has because of its motion, unyakaza kwayo okhoza i-kinetic energy. So i-average yalawo bonke abalapho iyona i-temperature. Yini i-average? Inkinga futhi ingabene kube lelo gama. I-average ifana ne-mean ka-maths. Kwa-maths mawenza i-data handling or masuka grade 11 bazoyibiza nge-statistics. Lapho benza njani? They take all the values bawahlanganise and get the sum of all the values, which means now ama-particles la and then they take ama-kinetic energy abo bonke bawahlanganise, and that answer they will divide low answer by ukuthi mangaki lama particles akade bawabala, yabo, and that answer will give you the average kinetic energy of the system, which will be your temperature. Temperature yenzani? When the temperature is increased, the particles get excited. They now have even more energy to move around, but we solid the spaces mancane, which is why izinto ezisolid ma we heat and mane iqhuma. Why? Our particles are gaining energy. They want to move, but they can't. So the only choice they have is to explode. But when you come to our liquids, when you heat up a liquid, what happens? It starts boiling, and then it will reach a boiling point whereby there will be a phase change. That phase change is called evaporation. Wayifunda usenza water cycle ka grade 9. Okay, this is when the liquid will turn into a gas. Evaporation. So as you can see, temperature affects state some particles, and arrangement of particles affects the speed of sound, which is why temperature also affects the speed of sound. So mind, we will dive in more into temperature and get some illustrations based on particles. The temperature mayinyuka kahle kahle yini lenzakalayo kwama particles mayehla yini lenzakalayo ukuze wena uzokwazi ukuthi mawubuziwe ukwazi ukuchaza kanconywana ukuthi kahle kahle yini ezokwenzakala ngoba usuya understand ukuthi temperature iyini and yenzani kwama particles. Asiyeni khona. Alright, so about the temperature. I told you what's temperature. It is a measure of the average. Average. Because the mean ngitshelele ukuthi bayibala kanjani ka maths. Mean ka maths ile ena le symbol le mean le ka maths. So benza njani? It is the sum of all the x divided by nx. It is the sum of all the values divided by the number of all the values. So ukuthi mase 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 bazothatha i-kinetic energy yabo bo-10 ibahlanganise bathole i-answer eyodwa badivide ukuthi mangaki lo ma-particles awu-10, and that answer is your temperature, which is the measure of the average kinetic energy. The kinetic energy we talked about it. So it is the energy an object or a particle has because of its motion, which means a particle mayinganyagazi, it has no kinetic energy, or it has zero kinetic energy. Once it starts moving, which means it starts having a positive or a negative speed, there is a flow of energy. It starts having a kinetic energy. And kinetic energy, usually they talk about it in potential energy, physics. Potential energy, it is the energy an object has because of its position. Ingaphezulu kangakanani above the ground. Kanti la asinaki lo ukuthi ingaphezulu kangakanani okanjani. Sina ukuthi ispeed ehamba ngaso nemass yaso iaffecta kanjani isystem le ela, because this is a closed system. Awekho amanye ama particles angenayo, awekho amanye ama particles aphumayo. It is an isolated system. The isolated system is a system whereby there are no external forces, and the net force acting on the system is zero. Okay, ake sizela naka. Nayi into eyenzakalayo. When the temperature, when the temperature increases, which means when the temperature increases, the average kinetic energy of the particles also increases. Angazi noma uyangizwa yini. Ake ngisi nje la ama kinetic energy mhlambe wako 5 joules, 10 joules, 15 joules, 30 joules, 0 joules, 15 joules, maningi angithi. and the average is the sum divided by the number. So if energy increases, it means the average kinetic energy will also increases. So the average kinetic energy has increased, the particle now has more energy to move around. They have more energy to move around, and when they move around in different directions, more collisions take place. If more collisions take place, collisions collisions is whereby lama particles lawa collide, ezohlangana, and umehlangana, there will always be an exchange of energy. There will be a transfer of energy. Some will lose energy, some will gain energy. Or both. Okay, so once ama collisions ayaqala asenzeka abamaningi, njengokuthi mhlambe the more collisions you have, the more reactive the more it will react with any element. For example, mase ngifaka any element la with ama atoms above, and then I increase the energy, the average kinetic energy. That will mean lava green will start reacting with lava above even more, even faster, manje. Just as with my explanation of umbubulu okushukela. So uma ufaka ushukela, you have ama particles phakathi, particles of ushukela and particles of water. And our particles of water are hydrogen and oxygen. At the time you shake, you're increasing the speed. And if you increase its speed, you increase the kinetic energy. So now the kinetic energy has been increased. So lapho kwenzakalani? Yila seqala khona ushukela usuzokwazi ureact even faster namanzi, which is why ma ushukuza ushukela esigubhini namanzi ugcina usungasaveli. Why? It dissolves into the solvent, which is what we call amanzi. But in this case, because the temperature increased, it increases the average kinetic energy of lama particles now. And that when that happens, this is when there are now more collisions. Aseshayana kakhulu manje amani cabanga umusestimeleni. Mawusestimeleni phakathi uwedwa or noma niba u3 ngeke nize nishayisane. Ngisho ungahamba udanse wenzeni ngeke nishayisane. Anime bo100 phakathi kuleso stimela and try to do the same thing. Lapho kuzoyenzakalani? Ngeke ungamthinta omunye umuntu. The time umthinta, with every touch there is an exchange of energy. There is a collision. Yona into engikhuluma ngayo la. Ama particles now ufana nje ukuthi asestimeleni maningi ndawonye. So manje mawubanikeza energy, ubanezi energy yokuthi banyakaze kakhulu. Uma sebenyakaza kakhulu with the same space akade benaso, it means lapho obvious ufuna benze njani ba collide, and uma be collide there will be an exchange of energy. No energy qhamuka ke futhi. The speed of sound, the sound wave lezodlula is just energy. The energy lezoqhamuka ezodlula la angithi, and as it connects with ama particles into eyenzayo, the particles they gain energy because it has been increased. When they gain energy, they start moving up and down. As you know, we transverse wave. We transverse wave, ama particles move up and down while motion your wave is either left or right, which is why it is moving perpendicular. For a sound wave is not just a sound wave, it is called a longitudinal wave. The sound is just a type of a longitudinal wave. La ama particles lawa, if they move parallel to the direction of to the direction of motion of the wave. This is possible if there is no energy going through. Ayihambela noma ikanjani. Ake sithi ke manje na I sound wave is mhlasimbe ukhona umuntu omemezayo or amaphoyisa akhalisa siren or whatever. But no energy that is coming with the sound, that wave will do something to ama particles. As the time idlula izowanyakazisa. Azonyakaza kanjani? Yona ukutshela ukuthi it is a longitudinal or a transverse. Mayiqhamuka na I wave iza kanje. Yabo? Le wave iya kanje. ake ngiyifake nangama refractions nama compressions. Remember, ama refractions are the regions whereby the space between the particles is furthest apart. Kanti ama compressions ila kusondelene khona kakhulu. So singayidweba sithi nje la amani lawa ama compressions ila kusondelene khona kakhulu. And then we could draw ama refractions whereby the space is even larger. And then singaphinde sibuye ngawa mani ama compressions kanje. Yabo? So ubude bokusuka eqaleni kwayo i-compression uzuye eqaleni kwayo le elandela le okade uqale kuyona is your wavelength. Yabo? Ungakhohlwa lokho. Alright. So nayike i-wavelength iya ngala. Yabo? Ama particles azokwenzani when they start moving? Now they will all start moving kulo direction. Wonke lawa a-affectekile. They will start moving now kuleyo direction as the wave le enkulu nayo iya le. Uyayibona into le. Oqonda ukuthi uyabona i-direction of the wave and the direction of all the particles is parallel. They are going in the same direction phela ngithi, which is why kuthiwani? Kuthiwa it is a longitudinal wave because the particles move in a direction that is parallel to the motion of the wave. Yonke suke beyichaza lena. So an increase in temperature increases the average kinetic energy of ink. So now they'll start moving faster. When they move faster, which means there's an energy transfer. So energy will be transferred faster than before. Therefore, the speed of sound will also increase. Okusho ukuthi again ngithi the speed of sound mawungaphansi kwamanzi abandayo or ungaphansi kwamanzi ashisayo asifani because of its temperature. If amanzi ashisa, it will travel faster. Yabo? Because now you're giving them amandla ukuthi asheshe ahambise le energy. Angithi the time ezoshayisana namanye ayidlulisa energy. It's more like aphethe i-message ezothi anikeze lo ayithathe nalo landelayo ahambe unikeze omunye ahambe unikeze omunye ahambe unikeze omunye, which means i-message manje is transferred faster than before. So therefore the speed of sound will now be faster. Yabo? So which means i-temperature ne-speed of sound kune relationship ekhona esisiyibona manje. Ake siyibhale. If you increase i-temperature, you also increase in the speed of sound. Yabo? So therefore, if uyazi phela ngisakhuluma nge-direct ne-indirect, if eyodwa inyuka nalenye inyuka, it becomes a direct proportion. Kanti ukube oyedwa ubenyuka oyedwa ehla, it becomes an indirect or an inverse proportion. Alright. So as you can see manje ake sithi i-temperature le, uma i-temperature i-increase izowenzani ke? Izowenzani le temperature? Izokwenza ukuthi i-speed of sound u-v naye uzowenza njani? Uzo-increase ngenxa yayo le temperature automatically, which means the temperature if it decrease, you are now depriving lama particles of the energy, which means the energy akade benayo is now lost, which means they are now moving slower than before, which means if they are now moving slower, which means the speed will decrease. Yabo? I-direct proportion ihamba kanjalo. Mekunyuka nalokunye kuzokunyuka, but ungakhohlwa uma sekwehla nalokunye kuzokwehla. Asidluleleni phambili.